Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing 90-day reporting. For those who are unaware, the folks that are in what's called non-immigrant status here in Thailand that have visas of a non-immigrant type. So that's business visa, O visa for marriage, O visa for retirement, OA retirement visa, ED visa, basically any type of NIV, non-immigrant visa. This does not apply, for example, to permanent residents. They're an immigrant visa category. They are covered by a different subsection of the Immigration Act of 1979. So they do not need to deal with 90-day reporting, for example. Now, in recent days surrounding the making of this video, we have seen announcements from the Thai cabinet that are approving in principle, to be clear, in principle, certain policies to go ahead and try and attract wealthy expats. And these policies are kind of shaking up or creating new visas that are very different, it appears, to what we've dealt with for a number of years here in Thailand. And I've done a number of videos on those where we look at some of the benefits, and we've done a number of videos in the past, the possibility of a 10-year visa. But that said, the criteria associated with these, especially the financial criteria, are quite high. But an interesting question posed by this video is whether or not we might be seeing the end of 90-day reporting altogether. And I think it's possible. I've actually had people email me on this question. But I would say it's probably unlikely we're seeing it across the board. It may be that these newly created visas don't have to deal with 90-day reporting. A recent article from Thai PBS World, that's thaipbsworld.com, article is titled, "Several Incentives Approved to Attract Long-Staying Foreign Investors, Wealthy Foreigners." Quoting directly, "To attract these high-potential individuals, a new long-term resident visa or SMART visa will be issued." Now, resident visa is a misnomer there. As we've stated and discussed in other videos, Thai permanent residence is a status unto itself, especially under the Immigration Act of 79. That's immigrant status. Any visa created does not necessarily mean permanent resident. That's a different status. So they're kind of using this term residence colloquially, but there is a legal meaning to that term. Or SMART visa will be issued, under which they will be granted some privileges, such as not being required to notify Thai authorities every 90 days. And that would be interesting. That would be a regulatory change and under the SMART visa creation. Again, I've stated this in other videos. This looks very much like a SMART visa. It does not, to me, look like a standard non-immigrant visa. It's kind of being done, it seems to be being promulgated under the auspices of the Board of Investment, the BOI. So it looks to me much more like a SMART visa. Will this end of 90-day reporting only apply to those visas in that category, or will it possibly be broadly applied? It remains to be seen. We will certainly keep people updated on this channel as the situation evolves.